Hey, so we walk. Hey. Easter Monday. Easter Monday, but not a day we tell about that mouth. Stop people mouth. Wash your mouth. Wash your mouth. I got to get
Yes, I think that's the music by He said this time you had in front of you. He said this time you had guns here. You had get out in front of them.
Like the beast out of coming down there.
Sonic does always have a crew. That's one thing with us. We can walk with our crew. We're going to go race. You understand me, Joe? If you say you're going to go race, you have to equip yourself.
Not taking from my of course, I've been racing.
The Sonic is the most dangerous boat on the water right now, father. I'm telling you the truth.
You know what can
watch
be?
yourself.
When the Paul say race starting with bombs or show, or say Advantage Sonic.
Yeah.
Can't turn on your boat.
No. They don't know how to do it because for years they've been out in the boat.
Me let the people out there, she hold a key to walk out. When we talk, we see that boat.
The chief for years does have a stunt.
No.
That finished with no. I gotta do things the right way now. Y'all go back.
Yeah. Bows a show. Yeah, you gotta be a show. If you got your head up here, you can wait for me.
Yeah,
but everybody head on the bed. Turn around, let's go down the road.
Let's suppose them leave the place and when they're at the same.
It was rigged. Hold on, Rick. Because Lime is a platinum sponsor. Mark is the CEO of Lime, and Paul owns a Sonic. So Paul and Mark is brothers. So it was rigged in the beginning. Bye. You don't pay up, bro.
Yo,
Mark. It's true, Joe. And I want to put it on the air. Paul, I just told Joe the race was rigged from the beginning. Because Lime want to sponsor the race today.
This is my partner Hubert.
Mark
He's highly upset.
Mark is the manager.
Get his ass cut. Excuse the French on the dot side. But we still friends.
Mark is the manager of Lime. Paul is the owner of the Sonic. The race was rigged from the beginning.
And the original rigger was Hubert.
Me. What? Racing boat, me?
Racing boat. Eddie is the I know speaking about race boat. You is the best. You are the best.
The best captain racing boat?
Yeah, in racing boat. Go. How George the best captain? By Eddie got that no covered, no father. Eddie gone with it now. I tell you guys, Eddie is the best captain now.
There, go for the trailer now.
Yeah, he going for that. Go for that. Eddie got a boat that's craft.
And who is it?
Yo,
Alright, this is the next question again. You are on camera everything. Who is the best boat builder in Angola right now? Boat builder? Yeah, right now. Wafe. Wafe build a boat and he come first in every race almost. Nothing he gave us.
That's what you keep on.
I am on top right now, so when the boat up in there, you come out and beat me.
We racing next year for this race again, because we done get a
Oh, yeah. No points. No, we talk about points. We talk about qualify for next year.
No, we never put on the thing was slack. The thing in on
No, we talking about seeing that it is an annual race. And every boat that comes first will get into this race. So the champion for this race automatically
next year.
So the Sonic is done in already.
No.
Whether it's a place this year in the race done. No.
You have to remember the points.
Any board who come first this year will win the championship. And if our board don't come first this year, they still have to race this race.
All the clubs have been on boss today. The crew have been on boss. Don't go up Nyano with them. You come down the land road, you don't go up Nyano with them. Come down the road. What have you got? Come down the road. You go up here, just come down the hill. Go and come down the side of your land and go down where you're going. Hold where I got. They said I run into Rusty. Are you running into us?
Where?
Oh, you don't know that I run.
Hey, they were running, but we get them to say let's quarter.
Yeah, that's it.
Case okay, see ya.
Case was shut off.
I know I walk up here.
I hear he want to take up there, make it more nice.
What are you telling me?
What are you
telling me? The tree coming?
Yeah, he says he right in the back there coming. He says right here, coming.
I don't know about the tree there.
By the tree,
even if the fellas are there, we don't know about the tree. I'm going to move over the tree.
And that's facts. Our boat don't study the tree at all. It's a god above. You know what about the tree?
Yeah, but
the tree is a good boat. It's a fast boat.
How you can study the boat that's the private boat in the water? You can study.
But she should have. But this had to prove it today. This had to prove it today. The boats that come first race today. And you had to prove that you are the fastest boat and you refuse to do it.
Of course, the tree good.
Yes, the tree's a good boat. Nobody said she's not a good boat.
No, she's good. In your book, she's not good.
But my boat is the fastest.
I tell you, but make the tree a boat. Yeah. Is that fully called Korean?
The tree is a consistent boat. The coral
look at our boat.
The tree is the fastest boat in the water.
The Sonic got the best captain and the best crew.
It's not a good crew.
I take the crew and make a boat.
The crew, the Sonic got the best captain and the best crew. Everybody, wow. Yeah?
What you guys say now?
I got, you have to take a picture of that here now. Yeah? The fastest boat in Anguilla. Look at it. She's proving now as the fastest boat. She's fastest boat.
That was Clash of the Champions.
You are you all the boats that come first. The Stinger and the boat that come first. You understand that? You see the Stinger them no and then the race.
You must understand, right? You must understand.
The satellite wasn't this.
Stop your shit! Stop your shit!
No.
You better go get shit down and put your shit in.
No man, you
Get your shit down. Get shit down and pack up your shit in. You go get your shit down and pack up that, man. You forget about that. No, we're not there.
She there yet. And if they touch her yet.
That's a monster by you, but
she didn't get touched yet. I tell her, she didn't touch yet.
You are that monster.
That boat.
I said that shouldn't boy. You want today? I shake a few times and cross your speed.
That boat
I shake that boat a few times today. Was to regular on the harbor.
The tree in front of you, go on the tree down. The tree in front of you.
You hear me?
And when we tacking up on the tree, right? And the tree got us like ears and we just go on.
Ask a question. The tree in front of you.
Have to be in front of you, but we showing that we
so why you want to tree down?
But if not get an ears and up, when down what's up, across the water. You understand? So you know what he's saying.
The tree in front of you.
Go try and go fix up that boat over there, but. I win a lucky champ for champ. We have to start from lucky one champ.
Because when the other boats were up in the short stick,
are you going to look at the Tuesday? You're live, fast on the time. Yes. Can you ever waste some money? I do it. Hey, can you ever waste some money?
You know, we come this day, you know we put our leg next year. Next year we got helicopter put our
I say, but what you able to go ahead there?
Yeah, get that bad. Look at you. Can't find me going out.
You ready to sing?
Yeah. You want to hear something?
Can't get me going out. Can't get me going out.
Every time I try and I fail, I'm hearing voices saying, try harder.
Don't forget your objective. It's live, you got to live. Right on. Superstar. Just to live and die. To hear Koru cry. Improving. And when you do your thing, don't stop, keep saying improving.
Oh, I tell you, only you got it. Mr. Monday.
I ain't gonna do.
Chapa.
In both of them.
You got it.
Hey, the heart hand here.
How many years take you together?
Doesn't matter. Nobody do.
It doesn't matter. Answer me now. How many years take you to do that?
20 years.
You get both
20 years.
Chapa. You been Chapa? You been Chapa?
Hey.
I tell me they Portuguese fan here.
That ain't a question. That's not a question.
Hey.
Yeah.
That ain't a question. How many years take you to do that?
20.
You got
When I want you to stand at
But you, how many years it take you to hit 4 in a row Easter Monday?
You got carry come?
4 in a row. How many years it take me? Hit 4 Easter Monday in a row.
4 Easter Monday in a row.
4 Easter Monday in a row. How much years it take me? 4 years. Very well, last year. Who else do it?
Nobody else for you. So, how much you can put in the pocket now? How about that?
In the pocket, I got one.
Who got the most? Who got the most? Who got the most?
Who got the most?
We used to there yet.
Shut up. How much is
No, we got selling.
How much can you come here? How much can you come here? You see your color one way for you win.
When you answer me, Cole.
You.
Cole, you answer me.
You got most in the pocket.
Right, say that.
How much you got? 2?
I am undefeated champion. Right,
You got 2? You got 2 or 1? Let me nobody else.
Hey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You take it. Take it up and leave it.
You calling racist, right? You calling racist, right? You calling racist, right?
Don't give me me. Don't cut me.
I got racist, nobody got. I got racist.
Yes, Cole.
Hey, that's
Cole, I won't disrespect you, Cole. You give me a lot of tips, Cole.
that tree never sewing machine.
You got more years racing boat than how old you is.
You buy me for your mother?
No.
You buy me for your
I
mother?
started racing when I was 17 years old.
You buy me for your mother?
As a captain.
Yeah, as a captain. That was the super fly.
I started racing when I was 15 years old.
15?
Yeah, moving balance rocks.
Yeah, but we racing for 10 hours. 14.
I started filming in 2006.
Yo, bring the result. Yo, bring the result.
I like this.
Bring the result. The result better than like you feel the beat me a show?
When today?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you feel so?
Carl, I know once the wind drop, like this will make it.
Let me make it.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah, Jay, with chokers in your foot, keep me up
Don't
here.
worry. I will check you out again.
When? Now time to come. When you think,
You see, going
if you pay me, I'll get you.
we're going south. If they had these fuckers, they say you said.
Yeah, I want some. Hey, I want somebody there to
I think better you, man. When you got Ali man on the side sitting down.
buy what you want. I was a man, never gonna fight my car. I take my car out of here. Man, down 5 watts, single man up.
Of course. So you take your blows for your head, I take my blows for my head.
You know?
Yeah.
By racing anybody? Are you racing anybody?
We ain't gonna race with anybody. We pick up guys and everything with that. We ain't crying about that. We just saying that if we had more men, even if we had more men, we'll do better. If we had to have our crew, if we had the amount of men to be with us, we let me know ahead of them.
I don't find out excuse. When I lose,
We don't keep none. We don't keep none. I said we lose.
I'm sorry, you give me a lot of tips and I respect you.
But you need to take it angry on.
In time to come.
Let's go.
In time to come.